All right, into this tutorial, I want to make a jotter using link stitch. That is, we are going to use which is also called Coptic Stitch variation. So and after that we bind it with this glue. So we need glue, any glue of your choice. We need trend, any trend of your choice, and we need needles. So and we also need scissors. We need weight to carry on it when we put the band, when we put the glue in it. So now the next thing to do is to fold the jotter. So now make sure you jog it very well, and then make sure it's right here, and make a little press, and you can use anything, but this is what I prefer. So just make sure press it very well like this. So inside, yeah, it is 3 stations, but inside one we have 8 folios. This is 8 A4 paper altogether. So when we fold it, it will turn to 16. That is 8 times 2. So now this is another station. So this is the last station because it's going to be 3 stations. So that is what I'm going to use. So make it to press, and finish it by using any presser of your choice. Now the next thing is to punch a hole. So this is the 3 stations we just folded. So now you have to start punching the hole. So look at it very well. This is how I measure it. 1, 2, 3. That is 4 line. I punch a hole there. So I turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the 4 line. I punch the second hole. So I pick one out of the station that I've just punched the hole, and I open this one. So the one I pick is to use it as a margin for the second station. So now I follow where I punch, and I turn it. I punch. So I also pick one from where I just punched and put it to the last one. I make sure that it is not upside down. It is slightly the way I pick it. So I turn it and I punch the last station. Change it, jog it, and punch. So that is the second step. So now look at it. It's very straight. So the next stage is to start the stitching. So let's go. So I was using the white strand before, but I decided to change it to red one, so for you to see it very clearly. So this is my trend with needles. So I make sure that I collate this 3 station I want to use correctly. This, put it aside and pick one out of it, and you can start from anywhere. So I start from up. So I will start I will start it from outside to inside, not from inside to outside. No, from exterior to interior like this. So as you can see, wait, I'm coming. So now from exterior like this. So make sure you leave small tail like this. So you now return it outside like this. So look at it like this. So this is the inside, this is the inside. So now you now pick another station to make sure it is like this. You didn't turn it upside down. So now I'm going to make it from outside to inside, and we join it here. So now let's jog it and from inside to outside like this. So and then we will return it outside. Then look at it. This is it. So we will now tight it. Make sure you press it so that there won't be any loose. Look at it. So the last station. So calculate it very well. Now we will start from here and we'll finish it here and tight it with this with the two already tighted. So now let's join it. It's very important. Make sure that it's very straight. And then you now take it inside. Inside and inside to outside. So you now tight it with the already with the two one. You can see very gently. Look at it, and we will put it inside. So to make a knot and press it very well. So look at it, press it very well so that there won't be any loose. Put it on the already tight one before tight. Put the needle in between the loop and cut it very well. You can do it twice, even if you wish thrice before tight. Put the needle in between and tight it. That's all. Use scissors to cut the essence of this one too. So this is it. Look at it. So that is how I did it. This is another one, and this is already one I use the white string. So because I would just want you to look at it to see it very well, because you can use white thread since the paper is white. So look at the inside of it, white one, inside of the one I use the red. So it's going to have three inside and the middle of the last one. Now this is it. So look at it very well. So this is the cover I use. So when I was doing the design, I make sure that I draw him a line to where is going to be the hedge. I mean this very one. So now you have to fold it. Look at when I'm folding it. So the last one. Let me show you. So you wanna turn it inside. So this is it. So the next thing is to put the illustration that we have already stitched. So put it inside. Make sure that it's not upside down like this. As you can see, the binding is almost done. This is it. So the next one is to put the glue. So this is when this glue comes in. So we are going to apply the glues here. That's the way I'm doing it. And make sure that it covers. That's okay. So let me clean the excess. One is in my hand. So now put it inside the cover like this, join it and put it like this. Make sure it's yes, and close it. jump it. It depends on where you want it to be. That is how I want it to be. At times, if I want it to be here, I would jump it like this. But this is how I want it because of the white essence. Because we are when it is dry off, we are going to cut the essence. Now, this is it. So what next? What left for us is to leave it like maybe 3 hours. It might not be at times. If it might not be up to that hours, at least 1 hour. But I will encourage leave like make sure it live up to 3 hours before you remove it. It will be already dry. It will be already dry up by then. So now this is it. You press it with any flat. Whereas I'm using this one and so that it will not shake. Put the weight on it to dry off. So that's the seed. So let me show you the one that I've already done. How it's going to be when it's dry off. This one I did it yesterday. Look at it. This is our jotter. Look at it. Look at it. This is it. It is three stations. This is the middle of one. Another one. This is jotter. So when I finish all of it, I will take it to the machine to cut the essence. So that is that. I hope you enjoyed it. Please follow, like, and share for more tutorial like this. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.